everybody. So Matt did a thing. He went and made a purchase yesterday. So we're gonna let him talk about that right quick.
Well, I've been wanting a diesel truck for quite some time. And I didn't want to spend real money on a diesel truck. So I've been looking, and it's been discouraging because getting into a decent diesel is outrageously expensive. So I got into a crappy diesel.
Let's have a look.
But this is a 2000. It's a 2000 F350. It's only got like 230,000 miles. So it's a 7.3. So I'm hoping that it will eventually become a decent truck for pulling all my stuff. It's not running currently. Hard to start. I need to put batteries in it, wash it. It needs some maintenance, but I believe it'll probably be a decent truck. And if it don't, I'm in it so little that I can get my money back out of it. So that's what I got, a flatbed, extended cab or quad cab dually.
Heck yeah.
It barely fit on my trailer.
Yeah.
It was sketchy as all heck getting it home.
And it's already got the gooseneck ball.
It's already got a gooseneck ball, which I don't own a gooseneck trailer, but
that's coming soon.
So
yes, indeedy.
It's not a terrible truck. The inside's not great, but it's not terrible either. It's got newer seats that are dirty, but not just torn completely up. They got a little wear on them, but it'll be a good truck for pulling things.
Yes, indeed.
If we can get it running.
But that is not what we're doing today. Today, we're about to go drive to Ruston and look at another truck. So we'll take you guys along for the ride.
Yes, sir.
Yep, it's got the roller on the back, PTO winch. That's going to be redone.
You don't like the knot in the cable?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh, it'll be fine.
Yep, super cool old truck.
Pretty neat old truck.
I just got to get insurance on it. You know, people are funny about that. So guys, I bought this today. I was planning on driving it back home. We're north of Ruston. We're like almost 100 miles from the house. And the insurance company tells me that because of this truck's age and weight, and it's a flatbed, that it's gonna fall under a special category, and they don't want to, well, the department that I need to talk to is not open on Saturday. So we get to drive back home, and I'll get insurance on it Monday, and then I guess Kim and I'll drive back up here on next Saturday to come pick the old girl up. So, best laid plans of mice and men, huh? Thank y'all, God bless, and remember, like and subscribe. Hey there folks, back from the DMV. We've got a license plate, And registration, insurance, we are all legal on the old 77. So, yay! So this weekend when we go to pick it up, everything will be legal and right, and so you'll start seeing me doing a lot of work on this truck here soon. Love you guys. God bless. See you next time.